Okay, I think we are back. Okay, I just built another car. Yeah, you see last time as a Spider-Man, but now it's a Iron Man. You can see yellow, white, red. Of course, Iron Man used those colors, but just not Iron Man. Iron Venom. Okay, Iron Venom. I use this. His body, half Iron Man, half Venom. Okay, red and black. What's the hat? Yeah. Yes. This the an Iron Man helmet. This not. They have two faces, okay? You can see. Two faces in one. But like it this, okay? Gotta put it on. Pyong. Yeah. It's on. And gotta put it on the Venom helmet. Real realistic. Okay. I'll put it on. Here is it. Yep. Here's it. Now, got put on the leg. It's only black. Yeah, no other details.